Have you ever been in the situation where you wrote a really great chorus, but the song died because you could never finish it with the verses? Well, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to write the music for the verse to hopefully inspire you to finish your song. Let's say your song chorus went something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a great song that doesn't have a verse, so the song has been cursed. Well, my first idea is to take the same chords you used in the chorus, just extend them. Play each chord for 2 measures, for example. Here's what it would sound like. This verse has the same chords that I used in the chorus. The only difference is that I play each one longer. This is your great song that now has a verse. Now your song is no longer cursed. All right, if you didn't like that idea, here's another one that's super duper easy. Take a chord, pick a chord, play the same chord throughout the whole verse. Here's what it would sound like. This is another way to create a simple verse. Just play the same chord the whole time. Now this works if the band is doing something interesting, because otherwise it would get monotonous. 2, 3, 4. This is a great song that now has a verse. I hope you don't think that we made it worse. Okay, if you didn't like that idea, this one is going to blow your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. My next idea to create a verse is to play the same chords from the chorus in reverse. This is your great song that now has a verse. This is your great song that now has a verse. Okay, if none of those ideas appeal to you, here's the last approach that I recommend. Just use the same chords in the chorus. There are many songs that use the same 4 chords from beginning to end. In fact, I have a series called 4 Chords, 4 Guys that you might like. So just play the verse a little bit different than the chorus, and that might help get you through your song. Let's try some examples. 1, 2, 3, 4.